Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Bentley Flying Spur versus Mercedes Maybach S650. We'll explore their core differences, focusing on what makes each vehicle a top-tier luxury sedan. From powerful engines to exquisite interiors, these cars define automotive extravagance. Join us as we delve into their unique characteristics to help you decide which one better suits your desires. When it comes to performance, the Bentley Flying Spur offers a range of powerful engines, including a robust hybrid option delivering 771 horsepower. This allows for exhilarating acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds. The Mercedes Maybach S650, on the other hand, boasts a smooth 621 horsepower twin-turbo V12, providing effortless power and a supremely refined ride, perfect for a chauffeured experience. Inside, both vehicles are sanctuaries of luxury. The Bentley Flying Spur impresses with its handcrafted veneers, a unique rotating display, and an optional 200-watt name audio system. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and massage functions. The Mercedes Maybach S650 focuses heavily on rear seat opulence, offering executive seats that recline 43 degrees, power calf rests, and a refrigerated compartment with silver champagne flutes. Both allow for extensive personalization. Considering value, the Bentley Flying Spur typically starts at a higher price point, around $276,450, reflecting its bespoke craftsmanship and dynamic driving experience. The Mercedes Maybach S650, while also ultra-luxury, offered its V12 models starting closer to $203,545, emphasizing unparalleled passenger comfort. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize driving engagement or being chauffeured in supreme comfort. Check the description for links to these cars and other great deals, like those leak-proof meal prep containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.